And Steve from EstateMAX here, welcoming you to Burtonsville, Maryland. It's right by Laurel, just off Route 198. This is a real mid-century 1960s early home, just loaded with stuff, collectibles, audio, video, toys, matchboxes. Look at all this stuff. I'm going to give you some broad shots. I'm going to show you a couple specifics. Hey, do you like compact discs and LPs and records and CDs? That's just all compact discs at $1 each. And then we have some modern LPs and some older LPs in large quantities. And this is on the first floor. And again, we are in Burtonsville, Maryland. Address is to be announced on Thursday for our Friday, Saturday, and Sunday sale. It's off of Melbourne Drive. Look at this. A Conrad Johnson tube amplifier. Look at this. That is a tube preamplifier by Scott. These are AMC tube amps and CD players. Books are all $1 each, by the way. Wait till you see the toys and tools in the basement. Plus testing equipment. There's a full array of audio, video testing stuff we'll get to when we get downstairs. Collectibles and knickknacks. Wow. That's an RCA Super Heterodyne style radio. You don't see those every day. Contrast that with a set of Klipsch KC30s, I believe they are. These are real Klipsch horns. The drivers are in great shape. Got a pair of them. Priced cheap. That's a gold ring turntable with a gold ring cartridge, by the way. Really nice piece. I believe that's British. There's a Polk subwoofer. And a Prince tennis racket. Let's go check out some other rooms in this very eclectic collection of stuff. Boy, you'll have a good time at this estate sale. Oh, fabric. Well, Lori says, don't forget sewing machines and fabric. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we are in the living room, family room. Take a look at these old antique and vintage radios. Very large quantity, 45 RPM records at $0.25 a piece. That's an actual NRD receiver. That's a really rare piece. You'll like that. A little bit of everything. Some camera equipment, a violin, ancient newspapers for $3 a piece. Look at that guy. HP printer, Onkyo receiver, docking stations, other tube equipment, tube amps, preamps, Bose roommate speakers, more vintage radios. Books and mid-century furniture. It's a little dusty, but it's still good stuff. Oh, and how about this German clock? Not German chocolate. German clock. Yeah. Now here's something you don't see every day. Check out this little tube docking station. When was the last time you saw a tube docking station? It even comes with little white gloves so you don't touch the tubes. Okay, we're cutting through the kitchen to get to the old office. You know, all the kitchen stuff is in the kitchen. We've got all the office stuff in the office. What a coincidence. Make us an offer on anything not tagged. Most of the small stuff in this sale is just not tagged, just because there's too much of it. But make us an offer. Oh, these are DVDs here for you DVD people. We have fabric in this room, including Husqvarna and Brothers sewing machines. Look at the fabric. Are you a fabric or dress person? This person was nuts about keeping things organized. If you do any quilting or patchwork or sewing or patterns, look at the fabric in this place. It is not to be believed. Call Lori Zook if you have a question about any of this. There's another Brother machine in the basement. Oh, Brother. In the master bedroom. In the guest bedroom. My God, there's books and bookshelves everywhere in this place. It's a nice set of drawers. That's got a mirror. Fabrics and clothing, blankets, towels. Vintage clothing. Look at these coats. Vintage clothing. Wow. Is that a bubblegum machine? I think it is. You will not believe what we have in this partially finished basement. from vintage and collectible toys. That's the Planet of the Apes. I wonder where Charlton Heston is. 2 fiberglass ladders. That's a trolling motor. Yes, it is. Remember Hot Wheels with charging stations? We have Hot Wheels. We have a charging station. We have a little bit of Train, a little bit of Tinker Toy, a little bit of G.I. Joe, a little bit of Lionel, a lot of games. These people had some fun. This is not a copy. This is a real, I believe it's 1977 Star Wars piece. That'll go fast. Highly collectible. That's an original Frisbee set. And we have a hula hoop from 1962. A lot of toys. It's kind of tough to take in. This room is so small it's almost hard to photograph, but you get a feel for the quantity of things you can dig through. It's $4 a game. $4 for most of the games you see here. We'll have great prices on the Lego, different types of Lego sets. Even got a barrel full of monkeys. And weight sets. This is a combo leg machine along with a bench press built in. A lot of weights, a lot of iron weights here too. Look at this bench press. It's a nice safe set. Spots yourself. It's a good set. I used to do that when I was much younger. At the back of those toys again. Look, there's an erector set, G.I. Joe's. There's a original microscope kit for kids. That's a full Orion telescope set there. That's an original Carver car amplifier, magnetic